Cagayan Valley Satellite Office ang ating mga kababayan sa Palanan. Meanwhile, the OVP Pansarap Bonds have augmented the nutritional requirements of over 14,000 malnourished and severely malnourished students by providing more than 1.1 million fortified bonds in the past year. Napatunayan ng iba't ibang mga pag-aaral na ang nutrisyon ay may malaking papel sa paghubog ng ating mga kabataan. Hindi lamang ito mahalaga sa kanilang pisikal na mga aktibidad, kundi pati na rin sa kanilang talino. Ang unang hangarin natin ay makita ang pagbabago sa timbang ng mga kabataang underweight at ito ay epektibo sa unang pagpapatupad natin ng programa sa Davao at Nuro sa UPI, Maguindanao. Kaya naman, dinala natin ang programa sa Estancia Central Elementary School sa Iloilo. Maraming mga learners sa paaralang ito ang mga undernourished. Sa loob ng 120 days, inaasahan natin ang magandang resulta sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay sa mga kabataan ng nutritional bonds na may 10 flavors na pinatibay ng mga nutrients tulad ng vitamin A, carbohydrates, protein, calcium, at iron. Kasabay ng programang ito ang masusing pagsubaybay ng mga nutritionists sa pag-unlad ng kalusugan ng mga bata. Our You Can Be VP program, or You Can Be Vice President program, also continued, and our participants joined me during my official trips abroad. The program already has 5 student participants. We envision that through this program, we will be able to foster leadership among the youth and instill in them the skills they need to develop to become effective leaders. One of the program participants was Elise. She embodies someone who knows what she wants, but also knows that she must work hard to get it. One day, we received a letter from Elise in which she expressed her desire to participate in the program after learning about it from several social media posts. It was for me a demonstration of her character as a young Filipino with a dream and the determination to make this dream come true. Hindi po tayo laging nakakatanggap ng sulat na katulad ng sulat na ipinadala sa atin ni Elise. Nakita natin sa kanya ang mga ilang bagay na nais nating pamarisan ng ibang mga kabataang Pilipino. We selected Elise as a You Can Be Vice President participant as she joined me in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia in February. After the program, we learned from Elise that she won as the Student Council President of Santa Cruz Integrated High School in Lubao, Pampanga. She embodies hard work, optimism, and determination, and her self-confidence will tremendously help her fulfill her dreams. At this point, allow me to honor the 4 other student leaders who have joined me on my official trips abroad since we started the program in 2022. Trix is a grade 9 student from Dinalupihan, Bataan. Naomi is a grade 8 student from Bacolod, Negros Occidental. Kester is a grade 4 student from Danao, Cebu. And Shara May is a grade 8 student from Northern Samar. They have stories that could inspire young Filipinos to value education, pursue their dreams, and become agents of change as leaders. And they have stories that could become our anchor of hope that one day the Philippines will be led by Filipinos named Elise, Trix, Naomi, Kester, and Ciara. Since May 2023 to April 2024, I had 56 diplomatic engagements. These activities with various countries have contributed towards deepening and broadening the bilateral relations with our partner countries. In my capacity as Secretary for Education and President of the Southeastern Asian Ministers of Education Organization, or SIMEO Council, I visited Brunei Darussalam, Singapore, Republic of Korea, Malaysia, and the Kingdom of Cambodia. Let me emphasize, however, hindi kasali sa ASEAN ang Korea, but I was there because I was invited by the government of Korea. Let me emphasize, however, that these engagements were all carried out under the authority as the Vice President. During courtesy calls and meetings, I was able to meet 41 ambassadors, my counterparts as Secretary for Education and Vice President, and other foreign dignitaries. Since assumption into office, we have been moving around the country, meeting with different communities, consulting with organizations, and talking to LGU officials. From May 2023 to April 2024, we participated in 342 meetings and events all around the country. These visits keep us in touch with the realities on the ground, and they remind us of the work that should be done. Mga kababayan, ladies and gentlemen, while we celebrate our success, we are not really here to congratulate each other, tap each other's back, or make ourselves feel better for what we have achieved. I take this as a reminder of the more significant challenges ahead of us as we continue to fulfill our aspirations for the Filipinos. I also take this as a reminder that we are here based on our commitment as responsible leaders and Filipino citizens. At sa pagpapatuloy natin ng ating mga programa, araw-araw ay patuloy din nating maririnig ang iba't ibang kwento ng buhay mula sa mga Pilipino na dudulog para humingi ng tulong sa atin sa Central Office ng Office of the Vice President at 10 satellite offices at 2 extension offices. At aasahan nila ang ating pagpapasya. Katulad ng ating pagpapasya sa nakalipas na 2 taon kung saan nagdesisyon tayo na maging epektibong ahensya ng pamahalaan para sa mga mamamayan. Inaasahan ng mga Pilipino na mananatili tayong tapat sa ating tungkulin sa kanila at sa ating bayan. Yan po ang hamon sa atin. We are given the opportunity to serve the people and become institutions that would help restore the people's trust in our government through effective, relevant, and timely public service. May we not squander the opportunity to lead, serve, and lift people up so that they become part of our mission to build the nation. Lastly, let me say that the power of collaboration to make things happen can only be put into play if all the actors involved, if all of us here fully dedicate, fully commit to honoring our social contract with the people. And we have proven that we are focused, we are resolute, we are strong. Mga kaigsuunan, wala pa natapos ang atong kontrata sa mga Pilipino. Hangtod nga gagahupot kita og katungdanan, mubo man kini o taas, magpadayon ang pagtawag kanato aron alagaran ang katawhan. Kanunay unta nato kining mahinumduman. Og sa kanunay, unta kita magpabilin nga mga lider ug mga taong gobyerno nga galantaw sa kaayuhan sa mga Pilipino. Mga lider ug taong gobyerno nga sa kanunay mobarog alang sa interes sa mga Pilipino. Ug mga lider ug taong gobyerno nga matidunod-anon ug sa kanunay gasubay sa prinsipyo sa pagsilbi sa publiko. Salubungin po natin ang panibagong yugto ng ating kolaborasyon na may nag-aalab na pagsisikap at pag-asa para sa mga Pilipino at para sa Pilipinas. Mga kababayan, patuloy po tayo maging matatag tungo sa pagtaguyod ng isang bansang makabata at mga batang makabansa. Ang lahat ng ginagawa natin ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.
Thank you very